Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some teal slime. We've been cleaning this like really. But yeah, I just want to make some splat ball. This is a really cool splat ball. But anyway, let's get started. First thing you need is glue. Using school glue. You're making fluffy slime, so shading tree. You're going to make it teal. A bowl and a spoon and mixing tool. We already made our activator. We use contact solution. Contact solution and the baking soda, which I use all of it. So this is the activator, and then we just mix it up. Now we have to use our activator. Now, make our slime. And I hope y'all like my intro. I was looking for all kinds of pictures. You have to pour as much glue as you wanted. You need to put the whole container. I'm gonna go follow my friends because they give me ideas to do. So we're gonna mix it up so you can start, so you don't have to have air bubbles. Now we're gonna put in our sheet. Let's just mix it up. Can I add your sheet? Okay, I think that's enough for right now. And you can make a stretchy slime. You can make fluffy. I want to make fluffy. The shake is real good. I'm gonna think a little bit more. Use that. We didn't add too much. I want to add more shaving foam than I'm gonna add in your teal color. My other spoon that I have. My other spoon. Give two mixing tools because I want to get a teal color. I like this color. It's cute. Blue color. I thought it would be more green color, but we're going to keep on mixing so your color is fully mixed in. So my color is fully mixed in. You can't really see that it's fully mixed in. Then we're gonna add in some activator that my friend made. I'm her sister's god sister. If you want to know who my friends are, I'll put them in the link in the description. Shoot, she closes really bad. Okay, I got it open. Finally! Add it to its activator. Starting to clump together. A lot. So, shoot, I think I broke. Mix into a little bit. I have to hold it a little bit tighter. Well, it is a spot. The plastic. See, I told you it would not be stretchy. Because it's bubbly. Now it's gonna be good. Oh, shoot. I really did add too much context. Not bored. Take it. It's very messy. Because I didn't add enough glue. Still good. Keep on mixing. Okay. It's not stretchy, but it's really, really cool. It came together, guys. Alright, it's not stretchy. If you want it stretchy, I think you could add a little bit of lotion. I think that'll kind of ruin it. It is. This is basically ugly. It's really cool. It's gonna take a long time to upload this video, so I think I'm gonna end it right here. I'm just gonna show you a few clips.